Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching how you can swap outfit with ease. If this is what you want to learn or this interests you, you have to sit back and watch this video from beginning to end. I promise you, you are not going to regret it. So before we proceed, this is Kami Design channel and you have to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when we post our next video. So let's get started to what we have today. So first of all, what you're going to do right now is to go to Chrome browser. I click on Chrome and I come here, I type Google AI. So once you put Google AI, AI Studio, so AI Studio. So once you click on AI Studio, you see something like this, Google AI Studio. So click on Google AI Studio. Then this is the interface that will pop up. So it brings out something like this. It depends on your own model. So I want to cancel this. Then I want to try this Nano banana. So I'll click on it and you see what it brought out. So I have only 11 tokens to use. So I'll click here and clean this place. Then I'll go to this plus icon I have here. I'll click on plus and I'll go to upload file. Then I'm going to go to the place that the image I want to change, to swap the outfit to. So I'll click on it and go to my gallery. I need to find where I upload the image. So this is the image I want to change the outfit to a traditional attire. So I'll click on this image now. So I'm going to wait for it to upload. So just wait for it to load finish. So you see that it has finished loading and I'll come here and write change the outfit to an Igbo traditional attire. The Igbo traditional attire. The color of the clothes should be red and no, should be black, yeah, with red bead on the neck. So this is the prompt I gave this image. So it depends on what you want to give the image. So I'll click on this arrow facing upward that is yellow in color. I'll click on it. So you see that it starts loading. So you wait for, it's taking time, and here there's also a movement that is writing model. So I'm going to wait for it to automatically generate. So just wait. So you see, this black suit has been changed to Ankara suit. So you see that every other thing has been written. So if you click on it, you click on download. So if you click on open, so you see that it has automatically downloaded to my gallery. So you see how I changed the outfit of that suit to a traditional attire. So see another thing I can do. So I can say the man should be facing a traditional gathering, addressing them on how to improve the community. So we're going to wait also. So you have to wait also for it to load. Yeah. So are you seeing how amazing this is? So I was able to that same man, see they now put where he's standing and see the village meeting where he's addressing. So I could just click on download and it downloads immediately to my phone. I'll click on open and see the image. That same man is addressing people in the village with. So you can give different prompts, maybe change background or anything you want. You get that's what you can do. So let's change another outfit. Let's change another outfit to suit and also the color of the outfit. Then you can explore a lot of things you want to do with this particular Google AI Studio. So I'll click on this plus, I'll click on upload file, and I'll go to my gallery again, and I want to choose this one. So I'll say change the outfit to a black suit with a red and black tie, and the man should be sitting on the table of his office holding an Apple laptop. So we click on this arrow facing up to generate and we wait. So you have to wait. So once you put a model, you wait. You first step is to import the image from your gallery. The second step is to give it a prompt that you want it to be. I want to argue about this. Are you seeing how beautiful this is? So this same man is wearing a black suit and is holding a laptop. So I'm going to click on download, and you see the image that we have already generated is so beautiful. So what we are going to do now is you can just say using the first image again, using the first image as reference, change the color of the outfit to red. So you have to wait again. Using the first as reference. So I'm supposed to write first image as reference, but let's see how this is going to go. So using the first image as reference, change the color of the outfit to red. So let's wait for it to generate. So you look here. So are you seeing it? So see that it took that first one, that's this. It took this and it has given me another. It gave me red. Are you seeing it? So this is so beautiful. So you see that you can put a particular image and still retain. Okay, let's do one more with my picture. So I want to do another one, and that is with my picture. So I'll click on this plus icon, click on upload file, and I'll import this picture right now. Then once I import it, it's loaded. Let me paste the prompt I want to use. Swap our outfit to a long, beautiful blue dinner gown with shiny silver beads. No revealing, no revealing of, because AI can be very trickish. No revealing of her breasts. I don't want it to reveal my cleavages, so that's why I have to add it there. Okay, so let's go right now and see what is going to generate. You have to wait, scroll. Okay, nice. So this is you see that I was able to generate this particular image from this to this. So you have to give AI what you want. So I'll click on this and download yet. So I've already downloaded the image. So see this beautiful picture. Wow. So I want you guys to explore and put in the comment section the value you got out in this video. So So we are done with this particular. So you see how you can swap outfits easily with AI. Then before you go, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when we post our next video. So see you in our next video. Bye.